Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In Java, the concepts of record and DTO, data transfer object, are often used when designing applications, especially when it comes to transferring data between layers or services. Below is an informative tutorial that explains both concepts, their differences, and provides code examples. ### Java record. Introduced in Java 14 as a preview feature and made stable in Java 16, records are a special kind of class in Java that are designed to hold immutable data. A record automatically generates boilerplate code such as constructors, equals, hashcode, and tostring, methods based on its fields. ### Example of a Java record. ### DTO, data transfer object. A DTO is a design pattern used to transfer data between software application subsystems or layers. Unlike records, DTOs can be mutable or immutable and are often used to encapsulate data and send it over the network or between layers of an application. DTOs may not have any behavior, methods, besides accessors and mutators, getters and setters. ### Example of a DTO. ### Key differences between record and DTO. 1. Immutability. Record, immutable by default. Once created, the state cannot be changed. DTO, can be mutable or immutable, depending on the design. 2. Boilerplate code. Record, automatically generates boilerplate code, example equals, hashcode, tostring, and accessors. DTO, requires manual implementation of the above methods unless you use tools like Lombok to generate them. 3. Use cases. Record, best suited for simple data structures that require immutability and are typically used within the same application. DTO, more flexible and can be used to transfer data between different layers or services, especially in distributed systems. 4. Behavior. Record, primarily focused on data representation, can include methods but are generally simple. DTO, can have behavior, though they often do not. They are mainly for data encapsulation. ### Conclusion. When deciding whether to use a Java record or a DTO in your application, consider the requirements for immutability, the necessity of boilerplate code, and the context in which the data is being used. If you need a simple, immutable data structure, a record is a great choice. If you need a more flexible structure for transferring data, a DTO might be the better option.